This is a sample use case of how GridSense would be used in the community. First, the user opens the app and then records what they are noticing, which is a flickering light, and then after, they add more context to it before they send it to Gemma to analyze, which is, in this case, lights have been flickering since 10 a.m. Analyze with Gemma button is pressed. 5 major things are happening behind the scenes. First, the video is broken into individual frames. The brightest moment, the darkest moment, the frames with the most movement, it is all analyzed by the fine-tuned Gemma for it to be model. The brightness across the frames is measured, and the variance tells the model how severe the flicker actually is. Also, the audio is transcribed to add more context to the model's understanding. Live weather data is pulled for this exact location, for the exact location the user is in, the wind speed, the precipitation, the grid risk, and every past report from within 1.5 kilometers is retrieved. Then Gemma 4 reasons across all of it, not one signal, all of them together. Then after it analyzes, it comes up with a reasoning trace. Every single step Gemma 4 took to reach its conclusion, visible, readable, and accountable. The signal is detected. Flickering video. You can see, after analyzing everything, it came up with a reasoning trace, and it highlights every step it took to come to that conclusion, whereby our final synthesis in this scenario is 15%, which is a low risk. Think about how this looks at scale. One user reports a flicker, low confidence 15%. A second user 2 streets away reports the same thing 20 minutes later. The memory layer retrieves the first report, the probability climbs. A third user uploads a photo of a transformer. Gemma 4 analyzes the visual. Confidence shifts to medium. The probability is now 62. A fourth user confirms their power went out. The confirmation updates the model's understanding of what these signals mean in this neighborhood, on this grid, and on this time of day. That is the real design, not one user and one prediction, a neighborhood watching its own infrastructure, each report making the next prediction sharper, each confirmation making the whole system smarter. The more reports, the more powerful GridSense becomes, and that is also its honest limitation. Fewer reports means less accuracy. Version 1 is just the beginning, not a finishing line. The signals have always been there. GridSense is the first tool that listens to all of them at once.